to strike some different drums. And you see what kind of information you think that's telling you about what you hear.
Can't see it.
I'm hiding it on purpose. Okay, could you take a couple of minutes to just talk with the folks at your table about what it is that you can say about the drums that you heard? So what is it that, that comes to mind? These were the drums that I played. So this was the first one. Okay.
The sharp warning sound.
And we just picked these up.
Yeah.
If you're going to do a workshop called "Hearing the Shape of a Drum," you have to you have to come with some shapes. All right. And so now you said something about the second one. What shape did you say you thought that was? What? A circle. So this was the second.
You heard that shape.
She works with you all.
Yeah.
All right. So now tell me where the P is.
What was the last one?
All right, I'm gonna get there. All right. So this was the third one. Okay. So this is kind of a semicircle, but if we wanted to get precise, you trace inside. This got some, the way that it's rounded, it's not really a semicircle. And if you wanted to, even with this one, so you start with something simple. First glance it looks like a triangle, but these are kind of rounded. If you wanted to find the area of this, that involves calculus. But there are ways to experience and think of experience.
And I just wanted to make mention. Yesterday there was talk on motivation, and there was a presentation about a teacher at UC San Diego. And this is exactly the kind of thing that you would ask kids in the classroom. Let's measure the area of this thing. And so in some way the kids then come to some discovery that you can't measure the area in exactly the same way. And I think that this is part of what we're trying to model also from a teaching standpoint. We're hoping that people begin to see that, there are some very obvious things that sit right in front of us that can be very useful in terms of teaching and providing a culturally relevant context. And I think we ought to begin to more seriously explore it and look at it. So I just wanted to mention that because I thought.